Now children, we will learn how to close a document. In MS Word, one has the option of opening many documents on the computer. However, after finishing the work, you need to close the open documents. Means you can open more than one document at a time, but when you have done the work, you need to close all the documents. So how will you close? You will click on the Office button and there you will click on this Close button. Fine, and this will close the document on which you were working at that time. Fine. Now how to open an existing document? The documents you create in MS Word are saved in form of files on your computer. When you want to edit or see a document again, you need to open it. To open a file, follow the given steps. So we need to open a file many times after creating for various reasons, and at that time which all steps we will follow, again we will see. First we will open the application. Quite obviously, click the Office button. Then when you will open the application, you will click on the Office button. Here you will click the Office button, select the open option. The open dialog box appears as shown below. So the open dialog box will appear like this. You will select the file you want to open. You will go to the place where the file is stored. I have shown you in the practical video also how you will open the file. Then you will click the open button. In MS Word 2007, you may also open a recently saved document directly. It will show you the recently changed or the files in which you have done the work recently. So you can open the files directly from here. Just click the Office button and click the document you want to open from the recent documents list. From here you will click and you will open the recent document button. Fine. How to exit from MS Word? After you complete all your work, you need to close the MS Word application. Means when we have done everything, we have done all the changes, we have worked with the files, what we need to do, we will close or exit from MS Word. Follow other given steps. What you will do, you will click on Office button yet again, and here you can see the exit button. What is the difference between close and exit? Close will open the close will close the existing document, while exit means you are coming out of the application. You may also exit MS Word by clicking the close button on the title bar. Okay, here title bar, when you see the title bar, there also a button is there in the form of cross. You can click on that and you can you can exit from there also. Now again practice time. Open a new document, write a letter, save it with the name, close the document window and exit from the MS Word. You can do all these practice assignment at home if you have system under the guidance of your parents. Please do not use computer when your parents are not around, because it is a sensitive machine and mishandling can harm the system. Okay children, so we have completed the chapter here. Go through the videos properly, because I can ask anything from the videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.